What's up, everybody? Gonna bring into the episode Cart Smart TV. I'm Jason. About a year ago or so, we had a customer bring us a Club Car Precedent, and it was pretty tore up in the body. Plus, it was pink. He had initially got the cart for his daughter, and she grew up, of course, and didn't want the golf cart, so he decided to let's put a different body on it. Let's put some seats on it. Stuff like that. Well, it's back, and it's been roughed up a bit by some other youngins of his, but that's not going to stop us from making it look cool again. And that's our whole goal here is we're going to take this cart and turn it into a really nice looking machine when we're done. Body that we put on this gentleman's golf cart about a year or so ago really popped. So here's the cart. Truck style front nose and back half. We are going to be replacing the back seat kit, the actual seat backs and seat bottom assemblies. We're going to be lifting this golf cart, putting wheels and tires on it, cleaning it up real good, get everything operational, your turn signals, headlights and all that good stuff, and we will finish it off with putting a new windshield and possibly an enclosure on this thing as well. So you guys stay tuned, and we'll take you right through everything we do. Alright guys, so we got this lift kit and wheels and tires done on this golf cart. Let me spin you around so you can see what she looks like. Alright. We put this on there 2 years ago for this customer, I believe. Don't have the front bumper on it right yet. We still got a little fine tuning to do in the steering, but that comes at the very end. And then we are about to attack these seats and get them mounted up and in place. It's been kind of fun doing this one. Haven't got to the back seat kit yet, but that is definitely going to be an add-on there. But as far as lift kit, wheels and tires and the seats go, man, this thing's going to be, it's going to turn out pretty decent. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to knock these seats out for you.